Hello everyone, welcome to IAS Dashna. I hope you all are doing very well. So without wasting any of our time, let's move to the topics of the day. Today's topic is Pragati at 50, institutionalizing proactive and tech-enabled governance. The Cabinet Secretary and the other departmental secretaries today briefed that the media on the outcomes of Pragati mechanism, which means proactive governance and timely implementation, the full form of Pragati, chaired by Prime Minister. During the briefing, the Cabinet Secretary highlighted the structured project and issue escalation mechanism under Pragati led ecosystem, which enables systematic monitoring and resolution of issues across multiple levels and state governments. The cabinet highlighted that initially issues are addressed at the ministry level, while complex and critical issues are escalated through defined institutional mechanisms for higher level review. Culminating at Pragati meetings chaired by the Honorable Prime Minister, the escalation framework ensures coordinated ministerial action, timely decision making, and focused resolution of implementation bottlenecks in projects of national importance. The Cabinet Secretary underscored that Pragati continues to serve as an effective platform for driving accountability and accelerating project implementations through close monitoring and reviewing it at its highest. So the next topic for the day is NBA disperses rupees 45 lakh to red sanders farmers, enabling dual income and promoting sustainable use of red sanders. The National Biodiversity Authority, which is NBA, has continued its series to access and benefit sharing disbursements with the release of rupees 45 lakh, which is 50,000 US dollars to farmers of Andhra Pradesh through Andhra Pradesh State Biodiversity Board. With disbursement, India's cumulative ABS releases now exceeds crore. This initiative underscores the economic opportunity available to red sanders cultivators who derive dual income benefits, first through lawful sale of red sanders wood logs cultivated, and second through monetary benefits under the ABS mechanisms mandated under the Biological Diversity Act 2002. The ABS framework thus directly rewards farmers for conserving and sustainably utilizing a globally valued endemic species. To date, the NBA has released over rupees 104 crore to the state of Andhra Pradesh towards red sanders conservation, protection and the benefit claimers, and over rupees 15 crore to other states including Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Odisha and Telangana. In the last 3 months, the NBA has released ABS money to the tune of rupees 5.35 crores to more than 220 red sanders farmers from the state of Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Telangana. The NBA's ABS framework not only ensures free and equitable sharing of benefits but also actively promotes sustainable utilization practices, discouraging illegal trade and over-exploitation by linking conservation outcomes with tangible bioeconomic returns. The ABS framework transforms red sanders from the protected species into a livelihood supporting asset for farming communities. Through continued efforts of NBA facilitating ABS money back to beneficiaries lead to conservation, scientific research and socio-economic development of farmers and communities. The NBA works to conserve red sanders for future generations, supporting both livelihoods and India's leadership in global biodiversity efforts. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.